Whew. On a day like this, who wouldn't want to kick back in this resort-like setting, sipping a cold drink by the pool, grilling up some tasty treats on the barbecue? I know I sure would. I'm Josh from North Group Real Estate, and this stunner of a property isn't just my latest Etobicoke listing, it has the best street name in the business. Welcome to 19 Burnt Log Crescent. Boasting approximately 4,400 square feet of total living space, 5 bedrooms, and a fantastic in-law nanny suite in the basement, this generously laid out backsplit has it all. Use all 5 bedrooms for your large family, or turn 1 or 2 of them into work from home offices. Huge kitchen, open concept living and dining areas, and a lower level family room walkout directly to the pool are just some of the highlights of this fantastic property. All of this in one of my favorite Etobicoke neighborhoods, Markland Wood. Top-notch schools, mature trees, and well-manicured lawns everywhere you look, 19 Burnt Log Crescent is a must-see. Thanks for watching my video, everybody. If you have any more questions about this spectacular property, please don't hesitate to contact me. Now, I've been waiting for this for a very long time. I've got to get in that pool. See you later.